Did I happen to make some regular ceilings? I do have some regular ones. Good. Excellent. Okay. Annoyingly so. No. There. Now we can get up on here. There you go. Now ideally we want angled ceilings on these. This is going to make it look cool. Sloped roof. Yeah, see, look at this. Obstructed. By what? You know what? We all know what is doing this. What's giving us this horse shit. That was. No, you can't. There's something in the way. That's not in the way. And when I put it in the other way around, you'll do it completely fine. Yeah. Okay, so there, that'll do that. I'm not taking the other gate off right now. Leaving that example of how we're doing it. Okay, I don't like this stairs because there's no way to seal the building in. So how does this look? Very angular. Very broad in the nose, too. Do we need that? Yes, we need to be able to get up on the front. But most of the getting up is going to be on the sides, because this back door is not going to be there. Oh no, you got your toes wet! Stupid bird. And my toes touch water, oh no! I want to add this because I'm going to have metal railings doing this. Enclosing this upper deck. And one there. Yeah, it's all the front seat, back seat, but this is just the design in wood, and then it'll all be replaced in metal. Stop being weird. Stop being weird, I said. You're being weird. There. Okay, so I need 2 more slope roofs and a doorway. Sure, I have those. Well, at least the doorways. On you, Bumbleboy. There they are. Oh, and I got walls too. Double door frame. Okay. Slope roof, do I have any more? No, I need to make slope roof. Okay, not the regular roof, slope roof. 1, 2. Why are you snapping to that? Come on, stop gibbling. There. Okay, can we get in now? Yes, okay. The boat is now enclosed. You can get up to the 2nd floor by the stairs. Get up to the 3rd floor following the roof slope. This will be filled in when I do the final one. The doors are causing issues. Can't fall off here, so we can fight from here. But if we have to get off, we can jump over. Can you? Yes. Okay. We're getting there. I think this might be the design. Don't talk about you could put, do put. Can't see. It's dark. I can't see what I'm doing. There. No, not 2 places, just there. There. Did you put it in the right spot? Yes. Okay. And then if we put a wall there. That gives us a little generator room. And we can close it off completely. Is the left the one we want? Okay, that's redonkulous. This jibbly. Look at this. Both of them. Oh, no, both of them will go backwards. They can't both be backwards. One of them has to be right. Nope. Okay, if the right doesn't go there, then the left has to. There we go. Like that. We'll have railings all the way along the side so you can walk along here and fight without danger of walking off the damn boat. So I built this flat instead, put the greenhouse on those two, and just left it flat with a ladder that you would jump down to the greenhouse and go to the greenhouse. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, so we need to remove these. Boy, I really hate that you can't pick stuff up. Only that one needs to be removed. But then these need to go. Haha, you were standing on it. Ha ha ha. No, because it's going to put it flat there, and then you won't be able to get up these stairs. This has to be at least angled there. You can't put a greenhouse there. Unless you put it on a second level. Well, oh, there. Okay, it worked there instead. But now I need another slope metal left, because for some reason both sides of the boat are the left side. You've got another smithy ready. Why don't you bring another smithy over here and build the stuff here so you don't have to walk back and forth? That's a good plan, except for, like I said, I might coat the whole floor with metal. And if so, I can't have things down because they'll interfere. Okay. Now the roof should stay. Yes. Not if I take those ones out too, though. I think then it will fall down. So we'll have to do it one side at a time. Come on, stop gibbling. There we go. Nice. Nice. It's not going to look quite as stylish as I had hoped. Okay, once again, let's reclaim all of the things. Okay. Metal wall. Nope, come on. Line up with everything else. There'll be no jinky jankies. Okay, I don't want to take that down because that's some specific construction right there. Okay. Why is it doing the gibblies? What are our options for lining up? I guess that's right. Welcome to the stream. We're converting our design from wood to the final metal. Okay, hopefully this doesn't give me issues later. There. Right. Starting to get really encumbered. I think I need to take some of this wood over and get it burning. Because I can't carry it anymore. I'm full of wood.